in this video I'm going to tell you about coconut water and its benefits and about the structure of coconut. So let's get started. Green coconuts, the coconut water which we get from it, not completely like ripened, and they are like in brown color, tender meats, and they are like very nutritious, like to give a treat to someone. Layers of coconut is like endocarp, like hard, woody, and its inner layer is something like which we can eat. Not completely like ripened, and they are like in brown color, tender meats, and they are like very nutritious, like to give a treat to someone. Exocarp is brown, and carp is like a hard layer that surrounds the seed embryo. Water is like liquid inside coconut, the palm area in which the fluid is held, and there is a layer that is like liquid endosperm that holds the liquid part of the coconut, and there is like solid endosperm that's like a little bit above, and it's like a little bit above the liquid endosperm, and it is like inside the mesocarp and embryo. Coconut water is known for its concentration, like the amount of strength of the solution of electrolytes. Electrolytes are something that maintain the acid and base pH level body, and vitamins and minerals. It has flesh, and it also has coconut that's matured in it. And 95% of coconut water is water. Water also helps in digestion, like it soothes the stomach, helps in preventing constipation, and it helps in getting the pH level back to normal. The bodily fluids that are present, and it'll get that back to normal too when we drink coconut water. Mineral potassium and magnesium helps a person suffering with kidney disease. It acts as a diuretic, like it increases passing of urine, flow of urine, and production of urine. Coconut water helps in semen production too. Uh, it helps in getting better the condition of erectile dysfunction. Proper erectile dysfunction. There are high electrolytes in coconut water, and it balances electrolytes in our body. High blood volume balances blood sugar level. 100 milligram potassium per cup. What it does is it basically removes off the excessive fluid, it detoxes it. It's very low blood pressure, and it also helps in reduction of blood pressure. Almost 1 cup of coconut water has like 46 calories. Very low in calories, and it also helps in detoxification and performance. Getting rid of accumulated irritants, products, toxins, and fructose. Helps in getting rid of corn syrup that builds up. Sweat or when we play a game, electrolytes in our body that are present that basically go out of our body. In coconut water almost 1 to 1.5 cup before workout. What it does is athletic performance, because there is already like 10 grams of natural sugar present in it. Calcium and magnesium. So coconut water basically it has less than recommended amount of calcium and magnesium. For strong bone and teeth, and it contracts our muscle, the calcium and magnesium that's present, to work properly. We work out or do some activity, what our muscles do is they pull our bones slightly, and little bit of it like breaks up, and what happens is the calcium that's present in our body, what it does is it basically uses it to repair the body's bones, get stronger. Move calcium and potassium into our bones so they can contract and relax and do their function properly. Helps in doing this, and it also helps in energy production and organ function. Oxidants that are present, what they do is they help in neutralizing oxidative stress and free radicals that we get from exercising. working out. Stress is basically from the part that muscle part, body part from which we do the certain physical activity. Like if we are doing a bicep curl, bicep is being used, and oxidative stress, the leading muscle group is bicep. Or if we are doing a tricep like press down, then the leading muscle group is tricep. There the oxidative stress is being created, so that muscle is the leading muscle. Promotes the action of entering phagocytes, neutrophils, and macrophages. These physiological changes that are occurring when we are performing an activity using the leading muscle group, what happens is free radicals are being produced. Doing an exercise to severe intense degree containing molecules with severe number of electrons can cause chemical reaction in body. Balance this and to make that uneven electron even electron, what the antioxidants do is they give up an electron from their side, making themselves even they don't become unstable, but they give up an electron so that the free radicals uneven electron becomes even electron. Oxidants that are present in coconut water, what they basically do is they what they do is they stabilize these free radicals, and they can be acquired like gotten through uh, balanced diet and nutritious diet. From vegetables and fruits also we get a lot of antioxidants, right? Acids are essential as they are building blocks of protein in our body. They also help in repairing tissues such as more arginine, alanine, cysteine, adenine than in cow milk. Arginine helps body to respond to stress by workout. Are heart healthy. Phytokinins helps plants grow and helps in anti-aging, cancer fighting properties. Coconut water also helps in dissolving kidney stones by alkalizing them. Its acidity as a lot of potassium is present in them. Prevents kidney stone formation. So that's it for the video, guys.